Hello everyone. How to center text across multiple cells in Excel without merging. We see that in this row that the title of this table is not centered. The left and right sides of the title don't have the same spacing from the cell edges. So select cells, right-click, and choose Format Cells. Go to the Alignment tab. Under Horizontal Alignment, open the drop-down and choose Center Across Selection. Click OK, and the title is centered across all selected cells. Why is this a better solution than merging? Merge and center works visually, but it changes the structure of the sheet. Center across selection keeps every cell independent, which means fewer errors and more flexibility in work. And that's it. If this helped, let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and see you next time.